Get acquainted with the 2020 Mazda CX-5. Here's a stylish CX-5, the SUV that puts your comfort at center stage. This compact crossover features an extraordinarily quiet cabin, excellent ride quality, upscale materials and craftsmanship, touchscreen infotainment, and flexible cargo space to help you make the most of every journey. Take excellence with you wherever the road leads when you're behind the wheel of this outstanding CX-5. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.